One. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Embedded World 2021 Digital. I'm from Jungle Channel Connectivity, and I here have a pitch about WinDriver, the USB PCI driver development toolkit. My name is Molin Gerik, the WinDriver product manager, and I will be the moderator today. I am here with Evgeny Moss, the WinDriver senior account manager, who is the main presenter today. So without further ado, I'll give the word to the main presenter, Mr. Evgeny Moss.
Hi, my name is Evgeny, and I'm a senior account manager of WinDriver Django Connectivity. Even though it would have been very nice to meet you all in person, I'm still very happy to be here at the Digital Embedded World and to introduce you to WinDriver, our award-winning PC driver development toolkit. Are you familiar with the situation when you're developing a product and everything seems to be going well until you get to the driver development part? Well, if you aren't, once you'll have a new project, you probably will. In such a case, our solution will be very handy. Now, before we start, I'd like to say a few words about our company. Django Connectivity was established in 2013, and it is a spin-off of a previous Django that has been operating in the market since 1998. Our core business is software for PCI, PCI Express, USB driver development solutions, as well as embedded automotive systems. Django solutions are used by multiple industries, while WinDriver has been a part of Django since the beginning of the company. Django solutions are distributed all around the world. Our customers can be found in every corner, starting from industrial products, military and defense industries, medical equipment, testing equipment, and even aerospace. Now, as you may know, every project has easier and more difficult parts. When you do not have the knowledge, one of the hardest parts is the driver development for your product. Starting to learn kernel development from scratch or having to deal with it at any phase of the project could be very frustrating and time-consuming. This will lead to delays in the schedule, late delivery, and cost inefficiency. There is no need to struggle, just use WinDriver. WinDriver is a driver development toolkit for PCI custom PCI, PCI Express, and USB hardware. WinDriver eliminates the need in the kernel driver development by doing it for you, while you can concentrate on your user application. This way, WinDriver saves you tons of time and makes the driver development a piece of cake. Regardless of the silicon vendor, WinDriver will recognize your hardware and will provide you with an immediate access to your device and will allow you to verify your hardware's resources. In addition, you have the ability to generate a skeletal code for your driver with various coding languages such as C, C#, Java, and Python with basic functionality and will assist you in debugging your project. All this within minutes of work. Now, there are many benefits to WinDriver, while the most important are: there is no need in kernel development knowledge. This means that you can concentrate on your user application and the functionality of your driver. WinDriver is cross-platform compatible between various operating systems, such as Windows, Windows IoT, Linux, Linux ARM, and macOS. You have the ability to maintain and support the latest builds and kernels of the operating system with WinDriver. The evaluation version, which is provided for 30 days, is fully featured and is provided with technical support by the same engineers that further develop WinDriver. And as you may understand up until now, WinDriver saves you time. And as we all know, time is money. In addition to WinDriver, there are some supplemental services that we provide. Our customers have the ability to sign the drivers with DigiCert service that we provide in order to eliminate the restriction of Microsoft of loading unsigned drivers on Windows 10. Attestation signing for higher security standards of Microsoft. You have the ability to certify your hardware with HCK, HLK testing services of Django in order to deliver the drivers silently via Windows updates, and of course, custom driver development solutions from scratch. Our office is located in Israel and we provide support to all around the world. In addition, there are some resellers that will be more than happy to assist you in different languages such as Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Indian, German, and Russian. Thank you for listening to this short review of our products and services. We'll be more than happy to assist you via email and phone. Just send us an email to windriver@django.com and we will get back to you as soon as possible. For the latest updates, please follow us on LinkedIn at Django-WinDriver. Now, before we continue to the questions and answers, I'd like to show you a little bit how WinDriver works and how it is actually very easy to use. If we open here a new project and we can choose this device, this is the device that is connected. Okay, I hope you see it. I choose it here and we can start, we can see all the pipes of this device. One of the things that you can do without writing a single line of code, you can already listen to pipes. So if I click here, it is evaluation version, so you have to click on evaluate, listen to pipe, and once I click on any button, you can see the output already here of the device. Now that's not all. As I mentioned before, you have the ability to generate the skeletal code. You just click over here, choose the preferred IDE. In my case, it's going to be Visual Studio 2019. Here you have the option to choose different languages. I'll just take C language, open to invoke with Microsoft Visual Studio, name your project, and click on OK. It will open immediately Visual Studio. Once you build the project, Loved? So it seems that there is some technical issue here. For some reason, it does not show me the show us the driver wizard of the WinDriver. I'll try to share it again. Just a second. Okay, I hope you can see it now. Okay, so this is the driver wizard. We choose again our device. You can click on pipe, listen to pipe, show it again. Once I click on any button on the device, you can see the output. We'll stop listening and generate the skeletal code. Now, again, you have here various languages that you can choose, various IDEs. I'll just choose ANSI and Visual Studio 2019, invoke with Visual Studio. Okay. Click on OK. We'll have to close the driver wizard. Now you can see here the actual code. Here you can see everything. Okay, just for an example, I'll build the project and open the local Windows debugger. Okay, here you have different functionality. You have the ability to reset pipe, read or write to pipes. This is specifically for USB devices, but of course there is another one for PCI or PCI Express if you have a device, a custom device that you need to use. And that's basically it. Thank you for listening. I will pass now to Merlin Gehrig for questions and answers. Thank you.
Thank you, Evgeny, for this wonderful presentation and the short demonstration of WinDriver. We have a question from the audience about if WinDriver does support Python. And yes, WinDriver supports Python, both versions, and we also have other script languages as Java and C. Also, it's like some other question. It's like if you're now interested in WinDriver and there's something is, you can contact us. A direct video call, just with one of our representatives, Evgeny, with me, for more questions and get more information. You can also download the free version from our website. It's a 30-day trial version. We provide free professional support in the 30 days to get to your POC. And if that's something that works out for you, then we'll assist you further. I think our time is almost up. There's only a few seconds remaining. Any last words, Yevgeny?
No, that's it. Just contact us via Talk and we'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you.